Butta Unit 17 in chocolate. So this is the wig that I have on now, but after 3 weeks of wear, the waves have loosened up a lot. The wig has expanded. I like it this way, but I really do miss the more defined waves that it has when you first get it. So we are going to put this on. So first, again, here's the tag. So if you go in the store looking for this wig, or if you go online, this is what you need to type in. It's Butta lace. It's by Sensationnel, and I have it in the chocolate. And I got this wig from hairsisters.com. So right out the box, you can see she's a bit more defined here than what she is on my head. Like I said, I've had this wig on every day for 3 weeks. Refresh it just a little bit with water and a dryer sheet. A dryer sheet and water in a spray bottle helps refresh synthetic wigs. But this is the wig straight out the box. Like I said, very defined with the waves. What I love most is the money piece that's in the front on each side. And look at those waves, y'all. Like, look at that, look at that. So the lace on this one is from ear to ear. You have the 2 combs in the front and the 1 comb in the back. And of course you can adjust it as well on each side in the back. So the hairline is already pre-plucked, and the lace is marketed as virtually undetectable HD lace. So once again, this is a synthetic wig. I've had human hair wigs similar to this style, but I truly enjoy this synthetic wig. Like the curls, the color, like the color. So we're gonna go ahead and start cutting our lace. I always cut my lace before I put it on. I've been wearing lace wigs forever, and what works best for me is cutting it while I hold it. Like I don't do good at cutting it while it's on my head. I'm just not one of the girls that can do that. I simply hold it by the lace in the front, and I just cut it as close to the hairline as possible. Now, if I need to go back in and get some of the additional lace off, I will. But that's after I put it on. If I see there's like lace still showing, because I don't do baby hairs, and I don't do baby hairs to cover my lace. No shade to the ladies who do that, but I think I'm a little too old for a bunch of baby hairs. So if there's any extra lace after I cut it, I just go back in, take it off, and I cut the extra lace off of it. So we're gonna go ahead, what I did, I already have my wig cap on, and I always get the darker brown shade of wig cap. We're gonna go ahead and just slick our sides down a little bit. I use Shine and Jam. I love this. You'll need just a little edge brush. Okay, so now we are ready to put our wig on. I'm gonna go back to the wig cap. So if you wanna get the lighter color wig cap, you can. And guys, y'all can see I went and got my eyebrows done after I had makeup on earlier, so just ignore this part. But going back to the wig caps, you can do the lighter shade cap if you would like, depending on your skin color. I like the darker tone because it's closer to my skin tone, and once I put my wig on, it helps it blend a little bit easier for me. And so now you can see how defined the waves are and how flat it is. It's not as big and full, but as you wear the wig, of course, it's going to get fuller to give you the look that I had previously. You can see a little bit of lace here, so we're going to take care of that. That's why I said I like to put my wig on first, and then I go back and cut off any extra lace that I see, and then I'm going to melt it down. Okay, that extra lace is gone, and so now we are going to melt it down. Again, we're going to take our little edge brush. We're going to use this end with some Pump It Up. Now I know this is so old, but I love Pump It Up. I love the way it smells. I love the hold that it gives you, and this is really good for melting your lace without having to glue your wig down, because I like to take my wig off at night, and then when I'm exercising, if it's a brand new wig, I don't want to exercise in it. If it's near the end, I'm going out walking, going to do yoga or whatever, I'll work out in it. And just using the spritz to melt your lace, it's easier, it's less damaging on your edges and on your skin as well. All right, all we're gonna do is just take our spritz and we're gonna spray. And I got spritz all over my mirror, but you're gonna spray the end of your comb and then come in and just put it right on the edge of your lace. And then we're going to hit it with the hair dryer. All right, and that is it. As you can see, the wig is on. I like it because when it's a little bit flatter, you can see the money pieces a little bit easier than you can when it's kind of puffed up a little bit. Let me get it here. So this is the wig after about 3 weeks of wear. It has like doubled in size. The waves are still there, but not as much. I'll definitely wear this wig some more because I do like the loose wavy feel and look. But this, honey, like I said, look at the colors. Definitely go to hairsisters.com and order this unit. Once again, this is what you're gonna look for. What I did when I went to the website, when I went to hairsisters.com, I typed in Sensational, and that brought up all the wigs that were made by Sensational. And then you want to look for this one, Butta Unit 17 in chocolate. So check it out, ladies. Let me know how you like it, and I'll see you next time for the next wig review.